Siddharth hasn't been able to accept you as his wife yet. I was waiting patiently for him to get back into senses. Now I can see that he has crossed all the limits. I won't be able to tolerate this insult of yours, Mithai. He left you at home and himself not returning home, and I'm getting to know about this so late. This can't continue, Mithai. Why will you work for free at the confectionery? No one respects you. This can't go on. Not at all, Mithai.
Grandfather, please don't call him.
Why shouldn't I? Don't you have any respect? Have you signed any slavery bond by marrying that brat? This can't happen, Mithai. Don't stop me now.
Why is Grandpa calling? Hello? Yes, Grandpa.
When are you returning home today?
Why, Grandpa?
Since you didn't return home last night, I want to know when you are returning today. I have something important to discuss with you today.
What happened, Grandpa? Any problem?
If possible, return early and meet me ASAP.
This is strange. Why is Grandpa suddenly talking to me in this tone? I can't return home now. Hello? Yes, sir, I'm coming to the office. Yeah, I'll just be there. No, Tess has left for Bangalore by the first flight today. Yeah, no, there won't be any problem. I'll handle everything, yeah. I'll handle all the sites in Kolkata. Don't worry, sir. Yeah. No, it's not a problem. Absolutely. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah.
Namaste. We were waiting for you. Come.
Yes.
Welcome. Finalize the date of the
Yes,
wedding
of course.
today itself,
I'm
okay?
really fed up with this man. Let them make themselves comfortable first. Please have
Yes,
a seat.
Uncle
Come,
Amresh,
sit,
Aunt
sit,
Sulata,
please,
have a
please.
seat.
Yes.
Nipa, please
Come
sit.
sit.
Hey, why are you standing here? Get the tea and coffee,
Hey,
please.
no, Nanda. You don't have to go anywhere. In a little while, it will be lunchtime already.
You should drink at least something. Should I bring some cold drink?
Okay, bring whatever you want to get, okay? And Nipa, go and help her, please.
What?
What?
Me?
Yes.
Sister Nanda, do you really need help? Come with me.
Let me also go and help Nanda.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
Nanda!
Ratul is such a well-behaved boy. He proactively helps. No, Rajiv is also a very nice boy, you know. You know what, Sushmita? You have trained both your sons so well. No, I mean, guys helping in chores is a rare scene in general. Actually, you know what I think? Whether it's a boy or a girl, everybody should have some training of household chores and cooking.
Correct.
No one knows what situation can come up at any given moment. Nipa should also learn some chores and some bit of cooking, right? Yes, she can. Nipa can manage a few things
Yes,
here and there.
she can.
She's not an expert, but she can manage.
Come along. Be careful. Walk
They
slowly.
are.
Nanda, I was saying, don't you think the tray is quite heavy?
Okay, give it to me. Let me handle it. Everybody can't do everything. It's okay. No issues. Please.
Thank you, Ratul. I think we have a good date on 26th of April. What do you think?
Coming 26th April?
yeah.
But that means we are not left with so much time.
Look, please don't go for any grand function. I mean, at least during the current scenario, it won't be right to do that.
And you are already done with the rest of the preparation. Actually, you know what? My mother-in-law has selected that date.
Oh my. Aunt Sulata, if required, I'll become the priest to wed them. But the date can't be changed no matter what. Because if my grandma gets annoyed once, then it will be a huge problem. What is it, Nipa? Everything all right?
What can I say, Brother Rajiv?
Anyway, let me speak to my parents. I don't think there will be much of a problem, but I must admit that we'll have to rush things.
Nanda, is everything ready? Huh? They are going to have a meal first time in our house.
What are you saying?
Don't worry, Dad. Today Nanda has cooked according to Uncle
Yes.
Amaresh's
Nanda knows very well that her uncle Amaresh likes rice and mutton curry the most.
The food looks great and smells delicious too. Hey Rajiv, tell
Yes?
Ratul and Nipa to come and join us, okay?
Actually, the thing is, Ratul wanted to buy a gift for his to-be wife. Nipa has also gone along with them.
Hey, please start eating.
Yes, sure.
Mom, see, I've bought such a pretty dress for myself. Are you all having lunch? Okay, then I will show the dress later. I will be back.
Mr. Amresh, I think you should give something expensive to your wife. It's very important to give a gift to your wife.
Is it?
Hey, Sushmita, do you need anything? Shall I get it for you?
When did you bring any gift for me till date?
Hey, what are you saying? Don't I bring
Nanda
gifts for
is
you?
the one who always brings gifts for me. I have complete faith in Nanda's taste. And I am marrying my youngest son based on that faith. And I hope that Nanda will train Nipa according to herself.
Yes, of course. Hey, why don't you call your daughter once? Let her be amongst everybody.
I know that I can't talk sweetly, but Sulata, I wanted to say something to you. You are marrying off your daughter, right? Please teach her a little bit of household chores. It's nothing actually, but my mother-in-law and the other guests will be coming. Nipa is a very sweet girl, but she is too childish. I hope you don't mind me saying this.
Oh, no. Why should we mind? What you're saying is absolutely right.
Don't worry at all. I'll always be there at your side. And if any problem occurs, I'll whisper in your ears and guide you.
Oh Lord. Grandfather is very angry with his grandson. Everything is happening because of me. If I wouldn't have entered Mr. Bittergourd's life, then the relation between grandfather and Mr. Bittergourd wouldn't become sour. Today grandfather spoke so curtly with his grandson. Yesterday Mr. Bittergourd has suffered so much. He shouldn't suffer anymore, Lord. He shouldn't suffer anymore. Please take care of this match. Please. Please help. Yes, Uncle Bijay. I'll send large quantity of sweet tomorrow at the Bhawanipur outlet. What else do you need? Yes? Oh, that's sweet. No, I can't deliver that sweet. All the good quality date palm molasses is over. Ask them if they want other sweet. I'll make it of soft consistency. Yes, please ask them and let me know. Okay then? Yes, okay, bye. Grandfather, all the good quality date palm jaggery is exhausted. We won't be able to make sweets out of jaggery anymore.
Has Siddharth returned home?
Grandfather, please don't say anything to your grandson. Your grandson loves you a lot, grandfather. If you say something to him, he will be very upset.
Go inside, Mithai. I have to say few things to him even if he feels bad. I can't ignore everything. Go inside.
Grandpa, tell me, what is it that you wanted to say? Actually, I had a couple of site visits since morning, so I couldn't return home earlier.
Have a seat. You didn't return home last night. Where were you?
What kind of a question is this? I've stayed out of home all night early as well, but no questions were asked then.
Why can't you give a simple answer to a simple question?
Grandpa, yesterday I was not in my senses. At times, I just need to clear my head and heart, Grandpa. If I wouldn't have unwind yesterday, then I would have gone crazy. I'm saying this seriously.
So you had to go to Torsha's place to clear your head. You must have spent whole night over there.
Who said all this to you, Grandpa?
This is not important. Siddharth, you had proclaimed in front of everyone that you don't consider Mithai as your wife. But at the same time, you said she will get the respect as the daughter-in-law of this family. Now Mithai is the daughter-in-law of the family due to you. No matter whether you consider Mithai as your wife or not, you have no right to disrespect the daughter-in-law of my family. Whatever you have done yesterday was disrespectful towards Mithai. You had gone to Torsha's place immediately after your wedding. You didn't return home that night as well.
Grandpa, these are my personal matters. I'm sorry, I can't discuss all this with you.
No. You can't say that. When I had asked you if you have promised something to Torsha, you said no to me. In fact, you had also said that you don't believe in relations like love and marriage. Though I didn't agree with you at all, but I had honored your outlook always. But now I feel that you are ignoring Mithai because of Torsha. If you don't believe in love, then why did you leave everyone and go to Torsha in order to clear your head? Why? Why? Tell me.
Oh Lord, please make grandfather calm down. Please make grandfather calm down. What should I do? Grandmother, let me go and bring grandmother here.
What happened? Why, you don't have any answer? You have behaved strangely with everyone. You suspected everyone. You misbehaved with everyone, but I accepted all that because I thought there is honesty in your behavior. But I can't see that. Today, for the first time, I'm having a feeling that I misunderstood you. You have deceived Mithai! You married her forcefully, you are disrespecting her, and you aren't disrespecting her because of your outlook. You are doing it because of Torsha. Shame on you, Siddharth. What a shame. I can't imagine that my grandson can stoop to such level. I feel ashamed of you. I feel too ashamed. Mithai's life get ruined because of me.
What nonsense are you talking to, Sid? Let me take you inside. Have you gone completely mad? Let's go inside.
You don't know what he is doing. You don't know what he has done.
What has he done? You can't say such harsh words to a grown-up boy. Let me take you inside, or else you'll fall sick. Come along. Come.
Did you see that, Shri? Did you see what just happened? Now neither Siddharth's temper can be controlled, nor Grandpa can be pacified.
Mithai.
Mithai,
No. मिठाई.
Water.
Congratulations, Mithai. You have snatched my grandpa from me. The man who is the most important person in my life, you have pushed him away from me. Good revenge, Mithai. Good revenge. Hello? PCG guest house? I need a room. I'm Siddharth Modak. Yes, Siddharth Modak. Senior Executive, East India Operations.
This is exactly what I wanted. Let the anger persist. I have to report Torsha once she is back.
How could he leave home?
I had warned you, Shri. I had repeatedly warned you not to tell anything to Grandpa. Now see what happened. See, you have messed up everything, Shri. Sandy, why are you scolding Shri? Anyway, this was supposed to happen someday. And if Shri wouldn't have told, Grandpa wouldn't have come to know. Leave Siddharth alone for some time. And listen, Uncle Amresh isn't at home right now. Don't say anything to Grandpa or Dad right now. We won't be able to control them. I'm going out. Let me see what can be done.
Oh Lord. No harm should happen to Mr. Bittergourd. Mr. Bittergourd should be protected, Lord. He's too angry right now. When he's angry, he drives too fast. Oh Lord, protect him. Protect him, please. Lord, please help.
No matter whether you consider Mithai as your wife or not, you have no right to disrespect the daughter-in-law of my family. And you aren't disrespecting her because of your outlook. You are doing it because of Torsha. Shame on you, Siddharth. I can't imagine that my grandson can stoop to such level. I feel ashamed of you. I feel too ashamed.
Oof. Both mom and dad phones are unreachable. What should I do now? I am feeling very tensed and worried. I hope Brother Sid is safe. He just left home without saying anything.
Brother Sandy, what are you saying? Don't indulge in negative thoughts, please. Oh God, Mr. Bittergourd should be safe. No harm should happen to him.
Sandy,
Yes?
did you call up Rajiv?
They are coming to drop Nipa anyway. But Lord knows where are they.
What happened?
Yes?
What is it? What's the matter with Siddharth? Where is he?
Rajiv, please bring Sid back home from wherever you can, please. We are completely clueless about where Sid has gone and we don't even know if he's safe at all.
Shri, come here and sit down. Sit down. Calm down, Shri. Don't act crazy. Wait here. Sandy, what happened? Explain everything to me. I couldn't hear you on the phone properly.
Nanda, something very bad has happened. And the whole blame has shifted on Mithai now. Whole blame. I had repeatedly warned Shri not to say anything to Grandpa. Listen, brother Rajiv, if Grandpa says anything to Sid, will it be possible for him to tolerate that?
Sandy, what will we do now? Look, Dad also isn't home. Mom and Dad went straight to Uncle's house from Rajiv's place. Okay, Sandy, did you call Mom and Dad? Could you speak to them?
I tried to call them. It's unreachable. There's no network at their place. Uncle Samresh is also not at home. I can't say anything. Whatever has happened, it's difficult for me to keep cool.
Okay, fine. Calm down now. Everybody just calm down. This is indeed an unfortunate situation. But this time we at least know that Siddhartha... what's the name of the guest house?
PCG.
Yes, he's staying at PCG guest house. So there is no point sitting at home and overthinking. We all are aware that he needs time to calm down his mind. Grandpa too had become very excited. Let him also calm down. After that, we all can discuss and decide something.
I request you all not to tell Grandfather that his angry grandson has left home in a fury. If Grandfather comes to know, he'll worry so much that he'll fall sick.
Mithai is absolutely right. Look, both Grandpa and Grandma are old. So much stress isn't good for them.
I think it's all my fault, isn't it?
No, Shri. It is not at all your fault. It wasn't right of Sid to stay back at Tosha's place all night. But I think it would be better if Grandpa wasn't informed about it.
Nanda, let's not talk about that now. Okay, fine. Give it some time. And if required, I'll call up Siddharth. Of course, if he picks up the call, only then I'll be able to talk to him.
You love me a lot, isn't it, sister? Why do you love me so much? Whoever loves me always get into trouble. I have always seen that happening. I pray to Lord that my near ones should be happy. Everyone should be happy. Nobody should suffer, but Lord makes them suffer. This isn't right of you, Lord. Give me pain, give me suffer, but I will tolerate anything. But people whom I love, my dear ones, why do you make them suffer so much?
Mithai, stop now. Be quiet. Look, Mithai, you are very brave, aren't you? You are brave, aren't you? Now, if you break down like this, everyone at home will also feel low.
You are right. I'll bring something for you to eat. Mithai, we won't eat anything now. We have to go back. Actually, Mom and Dad are at home. You rather serve food to Nipa, Shri and Sandy. Guys, you and Shri, please calm down now. You know, Rajiv is absolutely right. Right now, none of us can do anything at all. We have to wait, Sandy. Shri, what did I tell you? Calm down. Stop crying, please. Please. Lord, I'm feeling so scared. My right eyelid is quivering. I'm having an apprehension of something bad. Why is Mithai so scared, Lord? You are there to help her. I know, Lord. You are there to help her.